So the next session is for us to add a section with that is going to display the latest news on our website, or if you want to integrate, if you wish to integrate blog on your site, so you just create a section to display the recent post uh, on your site. So all you need to do is to go to this panel and search for post. Once you see post, you can see post carousel. If you want the post to be scrolling on your home page, post slider and the rest. So what I'm coming for is post, just to display some of the blog posts that we're going to have. But before that, I think I will have to bring a heading, something of this nature. Just duplicate this, then I'll bring it here. Before that, I think this is too close. I need this space, a bit of space between. Let me duplicate this space and take it down. I'll duplicate it because I'm going to leave one here and move this one down. Yeah, this is where we are heading to. Just drop it. So at the end of the day, I'm still going to need one. I'll just duplicate it, then move it down here immediately after our work. So I'm going to change this to news and articles. It's an article. So for now, we don't have much post on our site. So when we come to adding of blog posts, then we are going to see how it's actually going to show on our home page. Because once you come here, you can see they have three type of layout for posts. You have cards. This one will display both text and picture. If your post have feature, if it has a feature picture added to the post while you are making the blog post. So the next one is full content, to display everything with respect to that post. So I don't advise anyone to use this kinds. So either you use classic or you use card. So preferably I use card. So when we come to post, we can revisit our home page and see how this section is going to look. For now, we proceed. With this, we are done with the home page. We are done with the home page. So the next thing we are going to do is to work on the responsiveness. How is it going to look on tablet and the mobile phone? You click here, responsive mode. You have this. So this is desktop mode. For us to see on tablet, you hit this. So this is what we're going to have. This is what we're going to see on tablet. I think it's okay. It is okay. So for mobile, you hit here. Once you hit here, you have something of this nature. You have it this way, so you can actually reduce it. Mind you, whatever you do here will neither affect tablet view or desktop view. It will only applicable to this. So I can change this to be H4, right? Then this APX, I can let me see if it is H2 already. Let me see H3 and see. It does not have effects. So what I'm going to do, let me come here and see if I can give it a size. Okay, it has size already, that's why. Have that 3. So this, let me make it So then I have all this card this way. Let me see. I can make it 50. Let me make it 50. 50. I make this one 52. And I have them this way. If I prefer it this way, I can leave it this way. Otherwise, I'll just leave it as it was. Click the column and say column width should be 100. Yeah. Right. So once that is done, you come here. So this margin is too much on mobile view. So what I'm going to do is to reduce it to 20. Yeah, I think that's okay. Right. So I can this ones I'll hit this column advanced, then I'll make it 20 as well. 20 is okay. Likewise this column, I'll come here and say okay, let's give it 20. No, I think it's okay. Is this one I'm going to uh, format? Just make it 20 instead of 40. 20. Yeah. Okay. So for this, I can make it. Where is it? Picture. Let me see. Okay. The problem is coming from this. Go back here and reduce this to 10. So this is what I'm having, right? So I can make this 0. Okay. Click this section. Now come here. I'll say this should be 20 or rather 30. You say 30. 30. Okay. Likewise, this place, I'll just reduce this to 0. Then I can make this 50-50 services. Let me see if it is okay this way. Digital marketing, this and that. You see 50, 50. This column as well, 50. Right. Then I can leave this one this way because it's one. I have 5 services mentioned here, listed out. So for this, I can actually work on the section, on the column rather. Let me say 0. No. I'll come here. Let me say this section, advanced. Okay. So left, I want it to be okay. This section, just come here and say 0. Right. Just click this section. Now come here and say 0. right? Okay, so our slider, I think it's okay. We're going to leave it that way. So this, we're going to make it 0. So this is the new section. So we are done. Our site is now responsive. So if one is using mobile to view the site, so this is what they are going to see on their screen. I think it's quite okay. So we work on this section and come here and say this section we are going to make the top and bottom to be maybe 50, top and bottom 50, right? Okay. Yeah, we are good to go. So all you need to do is to hit update so that all these changes will actually take effect on the site. So I think this space between here and here is too big. Let me see what's there. Okay, I have a space in there. So let me just remove it, reduce it. So let's view what we have here. I hope it doesn't affect anything. Okay, desktop. Yeah, we are good to go. We are done with our home page. All right.